Yo, what's up guys, this is 7 here, coming back with a brand new video. Welcome to the first episode of Tutorial Tuesday. From now on, every single Tuesday I will be bringing you guys a tutorial. Most of the time it'll be in either After Effects or Premiere Pro, but you never know, we might have some other tutorials in there. I know this isn't everyone's cup of tea, so if you don't want to watch this, I completely understand. But if you do watch this, thank you very much. As always, make sure to drop a sub if you're not already, and also like the video. In today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to do Wiggly text. I didn't really know what to call this tutorial exactly, but I'll put up an example on the screen now of what we're going to be making. As you can see, it's a really simple thing to do. But if you add in some typography, maybe it's at the start of a montage, or even in some sort of mini animation video, adding this little wiggle movement to the text could really add to the final product. So without further ado, let's get right into this. So I've got a blank composition right now. If you don't know how to make a composition, I'd suggest going to watch some YouTube videos before this one. I'm going to click Control and T, that is the shortcut to get to the text tool. Obviously, you need to select whatever font you'd like to use, and then I can just start typing. I'm just going to type tutorial. There we go. And what I like to do is go into align, then you can just click them two, and that's going to align it in the center and the middle. Also, another little tip, I do Control, Alt, and Home. That just puts your anchor point in the middle. It doesn't make a difference for this tutorial, but that is just a little handy tip, especially if you're using scale with text. You definitely want your anchor point centered, so that's Control, Alt, Home if you want to do that. Then I'm going to go over to the Effects and Presets tab. For me, that's over here. It might be different on your screen. And I'm going to type in Turbulent displace. So Turbulent displace, there it is. It's under the Distort section. And then you want to drag this onto your text layer. As you can see, it makes it go a bit funny, but we are going to mess around with this. So what we're going to do is change the amount down to 10, or at least that's what I'm going to use for this tutorial. This is completely up to you. Then change the size to 15, and then you want to open up evolution options. There's a little arrow next to it, just drop that down, and then when it comes to random seed, you want to alt click onto the stopwatch, and what that's going to do is open this up down here so we can type an expression. This is a really simple expression. You're just going to type time and then an asterisk and 10. That's what I'm going to use. You can mess around with that as well if you like. And if you click enter, and then you can just close that back up. And as you can see, the text is now moving in that cool way. It looks all right with this font, but you can definitely switch it to more like cursive fonts. Something cool like this, it definitely does look a lot better, I think. And it's up to you. Obviously, you can change all these values. This will just make it kind of more exaggerated. So if you want to do 60, which is going to be kind of crazy. But there you go. Depending on what kind of vibe you're going for, you can mess around with the settings. Hopefully, this was easy to follow along with. And you can now create wiggly text in After Effects. If there is any other tutorials you would like to see in After Effects or Premiere Pro, definitely let me know down below, whether that's a very specific effect, or you might just want more tutorials on one specific editing topic. For example, you might want more tutorials on text, you might want more on transitions, or you might just want effects. So whatever you want to see, just let me know down below. If this was helpful, definitely make sure to drop a sub. I'll be having tutorials every single week on a Tuesday, so make sure to tune in every Tuesday so you don't miss that. But that's going to be it from me. If you did enjoy, leave a like, maybe even drop a sub, and I'll see you in the next video.